Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in the Jamaican language. Make sure you follow our YouTube page for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the news. Yesterday, the country recorded 837 new cases of the coronavirus. On top of that, 9 more people dead from the virus too. Out of the new cases, 479 are women and 358 a man. Them aged from 25 years old to 99 years old. The St. Catherine police said them found one gun with some gunshot in a one operation from Myrtle Way, Independent City in the parish yesterday. The police say nobody no get locked up. According to the police report, around 3 p.m., some policemen in the area when them see 2 men walk on the road. The 2 men run when them see the police and one .38 pistol dropped from one of them. The 3rd man, who be involved in the Money College septic tank incident, dead. Dead a 46 years old Beresford Garden who come from one church pen address in a St. Catherine. Him other 2 co-worker them, 46 years old Kirk Kerr and 56 years old Jocelyn Henry, dead from yesterday. According to the report, some noxious fumes were being come from the tank, knock out the man them. Police lock up one 43 years old man from Hanover who them claims to do some sex things to him 19 years old daughter. According to the police report, the teenager go live with her father 4 months back. In that the time there, him been asked her for sex. Them claims that the man do some sex things to him daughter and she make one report to the police station. One 75 years old woman get killed in a catching piece in a Everton, St. Catherine. Dead a 75 years old Anita Brown, who people call Annie B. According to the police report, people find Miss Brown with her throat cut yesterday morning. The police say them are looking at Wagwan. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.